guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another edition of hoops, hoodies, and how-tos. And in this how-to, I'm going to show you how to create this look. So I wanted to go for a colorful look today. I wanted to step outside of my comfort zone. What's crazy enough is that it seems like when I do colorful looks, I like them better than when I do like natural looks. That's not to say that I won't still do natural look tutorials, but I love how the colorful ones turn out, which is so weird because I'm not like really big into like colorful looks. So, but I like it and I like the way they come out each time. So I'm using colors from the Jaclyn palette with Morphe, and I'm also using the NYX Ultimate palette to create this look. And I didn't even have to use a white base in this one. It's just a whole lot of packing on color. So if you're ready to see how I accomplish this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! So let's get started. I had to check my brows in my mirror. So I already did my brows off camera. Now I am priming with the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. This is nothing new. I do this in every video. And I'm using a shader brush, I believe. And I don't know the brand name. It's not on the brush, and I've had this for a while. And so I'm putting the primer on with the brush first, and then I'm going to blend it and smooth it out with my fingers. And next we're going to use a Morphe brush. This is a huge tapered blending brush. And I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn and Morphe brushes palette. I'm going to take this green color, which is really stepping outside the box for me. But I'm going to use this as my transition color. Don't be scared, guys. It's all going to work out. I promise you. Continuously layering on this pigment to get it to the intensity and the depth that I wanted. I wanted it to be really intense, which is shocking because I don't lean towards colorful eyes, but for some reason when I do them, they come out really good. Even more so, better than my natural eye looks, which is so backwards to me. Anyways, after I blend out this green, I think I layered this like 6 or 7 times. But anyways, after that, I'm gonna go in with this like midnight shade of like, it's like a blue and a purple mix. It has a touch of shimmer in it. And I'm gonna take this shader brush, a small shader brush by Lamora. I purchased this set on Amazon. I believe it was like $13 or $14.99. I love their brushes. I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus to make it look wet looking. That's why I sprayed the Fix Plus on it. And I'm going to apply this on the outer V of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with the blending brush afterward to blend that into my crease. Next, I'm taking this medium purple shade from the NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm going to use this into my crease. And I'm going to blend out that deeper purple color, midnight color that I used before. And I'm just trying to blend that midnight purple and the green, trying to find a cross in between those two colors and blend them together. So it doesn't look blatantly like two colors, but rather kind of like blending in from one color, transitioning into the next. Next I'm gonna go in with this, it's kind of like a turquoise green kind of shade, and what I'm gonna do here is gonna blend that also into my crease. I want to apply layers of color into my crease to make it, I don't know, to make it like an ocean kind of color. You know how the ocean has like different hues of blue? That's the look I was going for. I didn't want just one green, one purple. I wanted multiple hues of each to make it even more glamorous and poppin'. I'm going back into that purple and I'm going back into my crease. So I'll just switch back and forth between the green and the purple now to intensify my crease, because I use intensify a lot. I have to find another synonym for that. Anyways, and I'm using a Morphe, I believe this is a M505 brush. This is one of my favorite, new favorite blending brushes. Next, I'm going to use that Morphe tapered blending brush that I used earlier. However, this time I wiped all of the product off, and so it's a clean blending brush now, and I'm just blending out the harsh line at the top of my crease. Next, I'm going to deepen up that purple in my outer V again, because it was kind of like fading a little bit to me. As you're working with multiple colors on your eyes, as time goes on, you may notice that it may start to fade or lose color. So just go ahead and pop some more product and some more pigment back into it in layers to get it to where you want it. Pretty color blue with a slight shimmer, and this is what I'm going to use for my lid color, and I'm applying this with a Morphe shader brush, and I'm going to blend this into my outer V as well. Become a fan of liquid liner. I wasn't a big fan of it before, but I've been doing it a lot lately and liking the way that my wings have been coming out, so I continue to do them. So I'm applying the NYX liquid liner here for my wing, and I love working with this particular one because I feel like it gives me more control and it makes my wing more precise versus using a gel liner, which is what I used to use way back in the day. And now I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and I'm going to sharpen up my wing. And I don't have any foundation on, so this is fine. If I did have foundation on, then you can use either foundation to clean it up or concealer that is close to your skin tone to clean it up. But when I'm working with colors and eyeliner, I usually put my foundation on after I'm done with my eyes. Now it's time for a foundation. I'm going in with the Buxom Weightless Foundation in Meet Me Latte and my MAC Studio Fix in NC44, and I'm going to blend this out with a Makeup Addiction sponge. This is my favorite sponge, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so big, it's so soft, and it covers a large surface of area. It's amazing. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Wait, I forgot lashes. Boop, they're on. Okay, now it's time for concealer. I'm going in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35. And I'm going to be using a concealer brush to apply it. And then I'm going to blend it out using that same Makeup Addiction sponge. Next, I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to use my favorite combination, LA Girl Cosmetics Beautiful Bronze and Warm Honey. I mix those two together to make my perfect contour color. And I'm going to blend that out using the same Makeup Addiction sponge. Ready to bake. So I'm going in with my Heyyyy translucent powder, and I'm going to apply that to my highlighted areas using that same Makeup Addiction sponge, and then I'm going to wipe it away using a Morphe brush. This doesn't have a name or a number on it. Sorry, you guys. I'm going to set my contour with the Luscious Cosmetics as soon as I can flip the palette open, right? And I'm going to apply 2 taps of the light color, 1 tap of the darker color, and I'm going to use this to set all of my contour areas. I'm going to blend it all together with this Revlon face brush. And next I'm going to use my favorite Pacifica Beauty Tenderhearted blush for my blush for today. And then afterward I'm going to go in with the Insatiable, I believe it's the Iconic palette, and using Infamy as my highlighter. Next, I'm going to apply the Laura Mercier translucent powder to sharpen up that contour area. I'm not going to bake. I'm going to apply and then wipe it away using my IT Cosmetics face brush. Next, I'm going to apply the Plum lip liner by MAC, per usual. And then I'm going to apply Stripped by Anastasia Beverly Hills, per usual. I need to find another lip combination. I swear I am a creature of habit. Now I'm going to go in with a black kohl liner, and this one is by Rimmel. I believe it's called Scandalize. And I'm going to pop this into my waterline, and then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go in with that blue shimmery shade in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Brushes palette, and I'm going to blend that out. Just kidding. I'm using the green shade, not the blue shade, to blend out that black kohl liner. And next I'm going to go in with my Rimmel mascara, and I'm going to use this on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with that light purple color and using another pencil brush. And I'm going to pop this on my inner corner. Actually, this is the pink, like a pinky purple color. And I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight. And then I'm going to go in with a pink shimmer from the same Morphe Brushes palette. And I'm going to put that over top. And then we are done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.